Here we go. Personal box for Simonelli. Good luck, sir. Let's send some mojo your way. Yeah, hopefully Jan's out there rubbing. Yeah, you guys know how it is. 61. 61, and it was box number 5, hand number 5. Yeah, what Flop said. What the heck? I think this box just isn't closed right. Yeah, okay. What to say? There's still something weird. I don't know what's going on. We'll find out. It was sitting in here really weird. Alright. Jay McBride, this is a box that Simonelli just purchased. Well, Simonelli, PC's back. Number to 25, Marion Gabrick Gold for the Rangers. Jose Theodore, number to 199. Wow, these are tough to pull. Number 2 of 15, All-Star Patches, Shea Weber autograph. Number to 199, 2-color rookie patch auto of Andy Mealy. That's nice too. Horizontal rookie patch auto, Robert Bortuzzo, 3-color monster patch. Let's go to the back. Oh, nice. 3-color rookie patch auto, number to 199, Colin Greening. 3-color rookie patch auto of Colin Greening. Man, 4-color patch, number to 25 of Gabriel Landeskog. I was expecting just like a little prime piece or something. I didn't know it was Landeskog either. Patch, 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 patch. And number 8 of 20. What? Yeah. 8 of 25. Peerless patch autograph of Mark Messier. Mark Messier, Peerless patch autograph, numbered 8 of 25 for Simonelli. There you have it.